Hello guys, welcome back again to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my chicken and make it very tasty. One thing I've noticed is that most of our African brethren will say they don't like the chicken over here because it doesn't taste as good as the one we have back home. One way I used to achieve that taste is to cut my chicken. When I cut it in smaller pieces and cook it, it makes the ingredients kind of like marinate inside. And this step is really a game changer. I found out that whenever I cook this way or when I become lazy and don't cut it, the taste is definitely different. If you want your chicken to taste like the ones we eat back home, or at least taste a little closer to it, try to cut them into a little piece, like just get, if it's the drumstick, just get it and cut it in half, than making it whole. Honestly speaking, this is a game changer. So when I cut them, I have it like this. I don't just cook it the whole, I cut it in half. So when you put in all your ingredients in this and cook it, it makes them soaking and then it drains the water from the chicken. As far as the ingredients, these are what I use. I use some parsley, some nora, some curry, and then I always have my thyme in it, a lot of salt, and then some bay leaves. What else do I use? And then this is like a peppermint. It has the bell pepper, habanero, some garlic, ginger. If you watch my other video, you will see how I make this. But yes, I always use this in all my cooking. Then this is like a chicken seasoning. I got this from back home. You don't have to use this. I mean, when I run out of this, I usually don't try to get it again unless someone goes back home. So these are all the ingredients I showed you, plus some onion. I just add them into this. And remember, never add water to any of your cookings. The water I used to wash, I think it's just a little bit in there, but I don't pour no water. The chicken is just gonna boil out all the water, and that is also an important part because it's gonna make it more tasty. So just put all the ingredients and just turn it and just let it marinate in there and just let it cook. Remember, no water, please. No water. Absolutely no water at all. It's gonna make its own water. So this is my chicken getting ready to be cooked, and then just cover it and then let it boil and let it cook. And then after some time, I came back, and this is it. This is all the water. I didn't add water into this. All this water, it's just from the chicken. So this is why you don't add water to your meat at all. Otherwise, it's just gonna taste watery and not good. So I'm gonna still let this chicken cook like a little bit more, and then I'll come back to it again. So I believe it's all done. We're just gonna get it out. And again, I don't deep fry my meat anymore. I have an air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, I think you should invest in it. It's a game changer. It's really good. I don't use so much oil. So this chicken, I'm just gonna bring it out, all of them. I'm just gonna go ahead and air fry it. I don't put any oil in my chicken. I just air fry it and it comes out like really good. So this is the little stock from the chicken. You can use this and make your jollof rice or fried rice, just anything you're cooking. So this is the chicken we have. I'll go ahead and air fry it, and then when I come back, I will show you how it is. Honestly speaking, just try this method in cooking your chicken. I think it tastes a little better than when you just make it whole like that. This chicken is so good. It's so tasty. There is no oil in this chicken. It wasn't deep fried. It was only air fried, and it looks this good and it tastes as good as it looks. I hope you guys try this recipe, and if you do, please let us know. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you try this. It's really good. Just try it and let me know if you do. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.